Alright guys, so I'm gonna be telling you that unfortunate news about this Hampton Bay Brookhurst. Yep. Actually it doesn't work. So yeah. I'm gonna show you that. See, the fan doesn't work. But the light does work. Like, it's been like a year. But now it doesn't work because it's been on like all day. And I don't know how that's happened. I don't know if I can hear the motor or something. Yeah, just the light works. So yeah. Oh, I want to trip over. Sorry, just want to get up something. What's the problem? Ah, you got tricked. The problem is the reverse switch. And I should say, it's not April Fool's though. I just want to do the prank ceiling fan. Well, yep, I got tricked. And I hope you guys got tricked. So, yep, you just got tricked, and you got pranked. So, yep, bye for now.